Here in Tolits Peri Peri Pasig, ang food trip dito ay namin. Hi, my name is Marielle. I am the Operations Director of Tolits Peri Peri Pasig. So welcome. As you can see, we are now here in Tivoli Food Plaza in C. Raimundo, Barangay Canyogan, Pasig City. So Tolits Peri Peri Pasig, you might ask why. We chose Tolits Peri Peri because my brother actually saw their video. I'm not sure of negosyo, some TV show. Tapos nakita nung kapatid ko yung chicken skin nachos, which is here right in front of you. And we were intrigued by it. So we went there, had a meeting, we had several food tasting, and we were interested. So we franchised Tolits Peri Peri, and here we are now. We started May of last year. We've been here for 1 year already. By the way, it's family owned, so I am the operations director, but I have my dad in the finance department. My mom and my brother and my sister are in the sales and marketing department. And then my youngest brother, who is actually the main owner of this branch, is here on the weekends to help out. And so here in Tolits Peri Peri, we have two main appetizers. One is your chicken skin nachos, which is right in front of you, and we have our chicharron bulaklak nachos as well. So as you can see, instead of using yung tortilla chips natin, we use the chicken skin as your chip. So you have your gulay or your veggies, cucumber, tomatoes, and onions. Plus we have your beef, your garlic sauce, and your cheese sauce. Kung magtataka kayo kung ano yung parang nakadrizzle sa ibabaw, that is your annatto oil. Tapos here on the side, you have your devil sauce. Pagkain yan, parang regular nachos lang. Ang kinaibahan, of course, is chicharong bulaklak siya or chicken skin nachos. So, kakainin mo siya like how you would eat a normal nachos. Tapos, para mas masarap, lalagyan mo siya ng homemade or Tolits-made devil sauce natin on top. And then next, here in front of you is yung tinatawag naming Combo 1. Combo 1 or C1 is consisting of your beef kebab and our Tolits Peri Peri chicken. Sides would be your gulay, cucumber, tomatoes, and onions. And we have, of course, the coleslaw and your devil sauce. For your beef kebab, you have the option to choose whether it's garlic sauce or spicy garlic sauce. So, yung C1 natin, ito yung pinakamabenta na combo natin. Everybody finds the quality good. Tsaka yung combination ng chicken and beef kebab. Kasi minsan, di ba, nakakaumay pag isang ulam lang. Like ako personally, ito talaga yung favorite ko. Kasi may chicken ka na, tapos may beef ka pa. So, yung mga tao na mahilig sa ulam, katulad ko, sulit na sulit ang C1 natin. Tapos lastly, yung large fried chicken a la king natin. So, as you can see, malaki yung chicken natin. Around 10 to 11 inches siya. That's deep fried. And the one on top is your a la king sauce. You have corn sa gilid. Yung large fried chicken natin, there's 3 types of large fried chicken. You have your Tolits large fried chicken, with gravy on the side. So, basically, para siyang fried chicken na gravy yung nasa gilid. Tapos, this one naman, may alaking sauce. Tapos, yung last natin, yung chicken bomb is what we call it. It's basically 2 large fried chickens put together. In between, you have your bacon, your lettuce, your garlic sauce, your cheese. So, para siyang double down, only better. So here in Tolit's Peri Peri Pasig, we take pride in serving quality food at a timely manner. We make sure that the food that you will get is in good standard. So come visit us in Tivoli Food Plaza, C. Raimundo, in Barangay Canyogan, Pasig City. Do message us for pickup or orders or deliveries or pre-orders, kahit reservations for the dining hall. We have Tolit's Peri Peri Pasig in Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So you won't regret coming here because we will only serve you the best.
Alright guys, it's Tikiman time! So, eto na nga guys, ang ating bagong natuklasan na food trip na talaga namang guys, dito malapit lang sa area natin. Dito lang yan sa may Tivoli Food Plaza. Dito lang along C. Raimundo guys, madaling makita at kaya ini-invite ko na kayo para dayuhin to. Kaya eto naman ang hinanda sa atin ni Miss Mariel o ni Ma'am Mariel na mga food trip dito. Umpisahan ko na sa pinagmamalaki nilang chicken skin nachos. So, imbis na guys, gamitin natin is yung normal nachos. Ito is chicken skin ang ginamit. So, same pa rin. Meron siyang beef, white sauce, onions, tsaka itong tomato. Tapos, meron siyang cheese. So, tamang-tama. Lalong-lalo na ako, mahilig ako sa nachos habang nagne-Netflix. Ayan. So, lagyan na natin guys, oh. Yun, oh. Wow! Alright, first bite. Iba nga ang dating nito. May character siya guys ha. And malasa yung kanilang white sauce at yung cheese nila. Tapos, etong chicken skin nila guys, hindi siya maalat. Saktong-sakto lang siya talaga. Combination dito sa mga to. And then, masarap siya guys, to be honest. And hindi siya yung matapang o yung matapang yung lasa niya. Talagang saktong-saktong combination. And yung crunchy ng gulay, ng sibuyas, ng kamatis, pati yung pipino, lasang-lasa mo guys. Subukan naman natin ito, yung pinagmamalaki nilang sauce na to. So again, lagyan natin ng topping yan. You know. And then, lagyan natin itong sauce na to. Wow! Itong sauce na to may sipa na. Meron tinatawag na sa sipa. May konting anghang na siya na nalalasahan ko. And then, mas sumasarap siya kapag sinausaw mo o sinumbayin mo tong sauce na to. Masarap siya. And then, dumako na tayo dito sa chicken a la carte nila, guys. Kita nyo, ang laki ng chicken. Grabe. Yun, no? Sobrang laki ng chicken nila, guys. Wow. Ayan, itry na natin to. Tikman ko lang muna na chicken alone. Wala munang rice. Itong chicken a la carte nila. Dilagyan natin to ng, yan, yung sauces niya. You know, guys, oh. Wow. Crunchy yung labas ng chicken, yung marination niya. Tapos, yung sauce niya, a la carte na talagang malakas ang dating. At the same time, inside the chicken, guys, ano na siya, malambot na yung loob niya. Tikman naman natin with kanin. Ito yung rice nila. Oh. Tapos, samahan na natin ng, yun, oh, meron pa siyang corn. There you go. Namit to. Sarap. Masarap yung rice nila. At the same time, ganitong kalaking serving, mabubusog ka. Quality yung food dito. And then excited na ako dito, grabe. Lalo na sa chicken peri-peri. So ako, number 1, hilig ko rin is kebab. Tikman natin to. You know. Wow. Namit. Sarap. Malasang-malasa yung timpla ng kebab. Wala pang sauce yun, guys, Subukan natin lagyan ng sauce, ng white sauce. And then, lagyan na rin natin itong sauce nila, na tinatawag nila. Samahan na natin ang coleslaw. And then, samahan na natin ang rice yan. You know. Wow. Ibang-iba, grabe. Iba-ibang panlasa natin to. Ang sarap. I-combine mo lahat to, napakasarap. Tapos, hindi mawawala talaga kanina, guys. Pinakita na natin sa intro, paano iniihaw yung smoke flavor. Ang lakas ng dating. Ang lakas bigay ng flavor dito. Lalo na dito, guys. Sarap. Tikman na natin tong chicken peri-peri. Tingnan mo, guys, yun. Malaki rin yung serving ng chicken peri-peri. At the same time, kita mo yung marinate niya, Gitnang-gitna, nanunuot sa loob yung marination niya. Wow. So, gusto ko muna siyang tikman na plain lang, na chicken lang, na hindi natin sasamahan ng sauce. Yun, Grabe. Ibang-ibang panlasa to, guys. Sobra. Malalasahan mo talaga yung marination niya. Na sumisiksik talaga siya, Tignan na natin. Sasawsaw ko dito siya sa white sauce. Wow. Sobrang lakas ng dating ng marination ng chicken niya. At the same time, yung kanina, nagbibigay yung tinorch niya siya kanina. Nagbibigay siya ng crunchiness. And hanggang loob yung lasa ng chicken. Crunchy sa labas. And then soft yung loob niya. Malambot. Grabe. Good yung mga food dito and talagang may iba yung panlasa mo. Para ka nag-dining sa BGC o sa mga sosyaling hotel. Pero dito lang to sa Tivoli Plaza, guys. Matatagpuan. Kaya guys, sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayon, ni-encourage ko kayo, dayuhin nyo, pambarkada, pampamilya, pasyalan nyo sila dito guys. At dito lang yan sa Tivoli Food Plaza. So, search nyo lang yan guys at mahanap nyo. And even yung kanilang mga social media. Pasyalan nyo guys, sa parking, walang problema. Ganda ng lugar. And I think, every weekend, may mga band sila dito na nagtumutugtog. Wow. So, good food with music. Talaga, it's a good vibe. Pasyalan nyo guys, lalo na sa mga nearby dito. I-experience nyo. I-try nyo. And it is what it is. Kung ano yung sinerve nila guys, ganito rin yung serving nila daily sa operation nila. Alright? Maraming salamat sa kakamera sa akin na si Ate Asia Borday. Ayan, salamat. And yun, that's it for my vlog. Yun guys, salamat sa suporta. And bye for now.